Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Pots, Pans, and Priscilla from inside the pantry. On today's video, we are going to get this pantry under control. I know you're gonna be like, girl, you just moved into the house. How bad can the pantry be? But the goal initially was to just get the pantry filled up, get boxes unloaded, and start feeding people. Now I need my sanity and I need this pantry to be under control. And right now it is not. So let's go ahead and get it organized. First things first, let's get all of this out of here. Finished with that part. Now let's get it organized and back in that pantry. Okay, so I got two of these can rack holders, which I'm super excited about because I think it's just gonna make it look cleaner in here. And I measured them to make sure the height would work. So we will link those down below. I did get them off Amazon. It says it holds 36 cans, but I think that's normal size cans, probably not these big ones. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you the baskets I got. I got these for the front of it just so it looks nice when you're walking past. You have that difference in color because it is a white pantry. And then I bought white ones for the side, just for a little contrast. I don't know, just to be different. They also have the closed bottom. These all do not, so I like that as well. And don't feel like you have to fill the whole pantry up with baskets because you have plenty of room to put things in between that maybe don't need to go into a basket. For the door, this is where I keep a lot of my spices and they kept falling in these cracks. So we got some plastic sheeting, which I'll link down below from Amazon, and Ace is gonna cut it so then that way nothing can fall through those cracks anymore. Thank goodness. Alright guys, so the kids just got home. Perfect timing because I did not want to do this with Abby because she'd be pulling everything out. So we're going to get ready to go eat dinner. I am so excited with how this turned out. Everything has its place now. It's really nice for us because we have so many people in and out of our pantry between therapists and respite workers and Abigail and the whole family. So I hope that this just keeps it a little cleaner. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you liked it, hit that thumbs up button and go ahead and subscribe and share with someone else. Comment down below if you like anything that you saw, if you're going to change your pantry. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time. Bye.